sun is shining and we are together as a community. Today is about our fallen men and women. We're going to remember them for the rest of time. Without them, there is no freedom. Without them, there is none of this. And we thank them forever and ever. Thank you for coming to this event.
On behalf of the Geddes Police Department, we present this wreath.
On behalf of the Solvay Police.
Vito Armini, Harold Cole, Italio B. D'Amatis, Howard Hall, Chris Waters,
World War II, Carmen Pirro, John H. Coons, Harold Wilbur, Morris McGraw, Clarence E. Heff, Albert A. Frigorito, Jack A. Haynes, William F. Cass, Henry N. Armini, Dalton R. Hardy, Robert J. Murphy, Robert H. McCord, David S. Hastings.